So let's now see what are the things that we need to focus at in order to become really a much better Forex traders. The most important thing is you should really love Forex. Make it your best friend and try to understand it more every day. It's very important that you become fully dedicated to learn more every day. You should eat it, you should sleep it, you should breathe it. Don't ever stop learning Forex. And the second part is the losses. You should know how to react to your losses. The losers, they will look at the losses and they will think about the amount they have lost and the money that has been wasted. They will regret investing in Forex and eventually they will quit trading. While the winners, they never do that. They will look at the losses as the lessons from the past. A good trader will always review his losses and they will think what could have been done to avoid them and what was the reason to lose the trade. They will write it down on a note and review it every morning before start trading. And trust me, your trading experience will be unbelievably improved once you do that. You also need time to become a good trader, and this is something up to your ability to learn and your personal experience in trading. Some traders, they need just few months to understand this business. Some other traders, they might need years to achieve it. But in the end, every hard work will pay back, and for that I promise you, if you really put all your effort to learn trading and you really focused on it, I promise you that one day soon your dreams will become true. And the most important thing is, you need to control your emotions while you're trading. Stop thinking that you should always revenge the market when you lose a trade. Trading Forex is just cruel like any other business. You will never finish every day in profit, and you will never get 100% results every day. You must accept that every month you will have a good days and some bad days. Only the losers, they will complain about the bad days, ignoring all the successful days they had. Because with such mentality, you can never survive in this business. You must accept the losses, and most importantly is to learn from them. If you never learn your mistakes and you keep falling to them over and over, then you are just wasting your time and money. Losing control of emotions is one of the most common reasons why people losing in trading Forex or even quit it. So the best thing you can do at this point is to come up with a money management plan where you dedicate a small amount to be possibly lost, so you will have no hard emotions when you actually lose it. Trading Forex is very beautiful, but it's never easy. It's very hard business, and you will have to go through a very tough journey. A journey that will be full of obstacles, losses, rage, pressure, and stress. But in the end, your hard work will pay you back. Don't ever think about the road. Think only about your destination. Think only about achieving your dreams and ignore all the hard times you will go through. And believe me, once you do that, you will be very proud of yourself, and now the world is yours. I can promise you, you can get whatever it is you want.